Hello and welcome to this short overview video on today's business's reporting dashboards. And the goal of our dashboards for our clients are to report on all the key performance indicators in one place. So they're a really nice place to pull in all the information such as website traffic or social media engagement, or things like any ads that are running, whether they're running on social networks or Google ads, other types of search ads. And what these reports do is just pull it all into one quick view so that key performance indicators can be monitored by our team and by clients. So some of the features to these reports are that we commonly have reports with multiple pages. Each one will focus on a different thing. So in this example we're looking at, right now we're going to look at website traffic, but we can also see things like organic search or Google My Business, social ads, website speed, lots of different things that we can report on, which are customized to client needs. And then each report has a date range selector, so this just makes it easy to report on various date ranges. And then within the report itself, we've customized the metrics and dimensions that we pull based on, the client marketing programs. And you'll see different scorecards, such as, which will report just static metrics, such as sessions, that sort of thing. And then you'll also see a lot of trend charts. So if we want to sort of monitor progress over time, we can do that through those. So in this particular example, we're looking like a website overview. And on this, we're going to report on things such as sessions and the number of goals completed. We're going to look at if there are goals completed, what types of goals. So what are we tracking as far as Google Analytics goes and what goals are occurring on the website, and trends, how are goals trending month over month. We can see things like which channels, so which marketing channels are sort of accounting for the different goals, so organic search and referrals and paid search. And then we can get into a lot more detail. We can look at things like landing pages. And again, a lot of this is customized to the marketing program itself and relevant to the client itself. But not only where people are coming from, but also where they're landing. We can see things like the part of the country that sessions are happening or goals are being completed in. We can whittle that down to the city level. We can look at different devices, day of week. So all kind of metrics that we can pull in here, based on the marketing program. And this one that we're looking at initially is just a typical Google Analytics website view. Some other things that we might report on would be Google My Business. So whether, if you do have a brick and mortar, whether you have 1 or 500, we're able to aggregate your business listings to look at how many impressions there were, how many actions, how many reviews were written. Again, we get like trended views. Down to the location level stuff. We can actually filter by specific locations if we want to, and look at one location or look at all of them. Pull in recent reviews, and this is a great way to just monitor reviews that are coming in to know what to respond to, and just to generally gauge the quality of reviews coming in. Some other typical types of reports would be the social media report. So this is not only going to show things such as the organic social media metrics like total likes and that sort of thing, but we're also going to get a lot of ad engagement metrics and things like that. So these are customized to each client depending on their program. This particular example is a Facebook client, and you'll see specific campaigns that are being run and calculations as to the cost per goal for those campaigns, and where the campaigns are running and which platforms. So is it running on Facebook, Instagram, that sort of thing. And then we get down to like the ad level commonly on these social ad reports, and you'll see the actual ads that are running as well as their engagement. And then in this particular example, we can actually look at LinkedIn as well for this particular client. Something else that some clients like to monitor would be things like website speed. So in this particular example, we're really just monitoring the overall website speed, how fast specific pages are, how fast within certain browsers are, and this helps just sort of monitor that, particularly for SEO, but just for good user experience. And then a last example to share today is a HubSpot report. So a lot of our clients are on HubSpot, and we can do things like track the funnel of like a contact life cycle, for example, and we can track subscribers to leads to marketing qualified leads. So this is really if you're familiar with HubSpot, you can customize these different workflows, and we can sort of pull in stats based on that. Same applies to like deal pipeline, so we can pull in different stages of a deal pipeline, again depending on how you've customized it within HubSpot. And if you are running, if you are pushing a lot of emails through HubSpot, which a lot of our clients are, we can do things just like the general reporting from there, and how many contacts there are, opens, how different campaigns are performing, that sort of thing. So hopefully this helps, and it's just a quick overview of our reporting suite, customized to your needs. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.